So good morning, everyone. So yesterday we discussed about net, the basics of cybersecurity, and also at this end of this slide, we will discuss about the domains that are available. Uh, what are the domains and which field that you can choose by having the basics of cybersecurity, and also go in-depth knowledge on that. So what we will be going to deal with before that, yeah, we'll go with network fundamentals. So, as I yesterday said, so whenever you're starting with cybersecurity, let me start the slideshow. Yeah. So the pathway is, the path is like that. Like you learn networking basics first, then cybersecurity basics, then go to core concepts. Or you can exchange these two topics. That's not a problem. But before learning core cybersecurity. Before learning core cybersecurity, these two topics are very much important. So you take any core concept here. So let me open that slide as well. uh, Allow me a second. Yeah. So guys, so this is center of cybersecurity, I could say. Where is this? Okay. So this is a center of cybersecurity. I mean, cybersecurity is a very huge domain, uh, per se. And then we have a lot of subdomains here. Even I need to add few more here. So which is network security. So that's one of the main. NetSec. Okay. So we have SOC. So we call it as Security Operations Center. Security Operations Center. So what they will be doing is, this is an active security, active cyber security. So this risk assessment is passive security. So what we are doing is we are assessing the risk passively, not actively. But this security operations center, they will be doing the risk assessment actively. Okay, so that's a difference. So when I say actively and passively, so they will be assessing the current logs, current trends, current uh, threats, whatever are coming to the network, or from the network going outside of the network. So they will assess this. The security operations center will do that. Okay, but risk assessment is like, it's a passive way of cybersecurity. So whatever the applications is already there, or even before releasing into the production. So guys, here will come the two concepts: prod and on-prem. On-prem. Okay, so sorry, prod means the production. Okay, the production, whatever, let's say Flipkart or Amazon, right? So whatever you are seeing, that's in production environment because people are using it. So before these features are available to the people, like customers, like you and me. So what they will do is they will put it in development. Okay, so this is another word. Before putting in production, they will put it in development. So after development, they will go for testing. After testing, they will go for production, and they will call it as these stages are called as pre-prod as well. Okay, so guys, there is one more topic called on-prem and cloud. So what is meant by premise, guys? What is meant by premise? Just English meaning of premise. Just an English meaning of premise. Guys, just English meaning of premise. Guys, Bala.
Sorry, come.
Uh, No worries. So premise is something within your boundary, right? Within your boundary. So, that item is available in my premise itself. Okay. Let's say I park my bike in my premises. Okay. I park my bike in my premises. So, I park my bike out of my premises. Okay. So within your compound, you are parking your bike, so that is the meaning of on-prem. Okay, that is the meaning of on-premise. Okay, so this cloud means, you're parking it on some other place. So who will take care of this? This premise. So cloud is nothing but some others premises where you are renting it out. So that's the only difference, guys. Don't think cloud is, computers are placed in the sky or in the space. So even I confused in my early stage of learning. So that's why I'm telling you this. Okay. So yeah. Anybody doubts? Okay. Please mute yourself. Um, yeah. So this is risk assessment is passive cybersecurity. This is active cybersecurity. So network security is also active security. Okay. Threat intelligence, I could say we can do passive and active.
అది
So governance is completely passive.
దాంట్లో వేసి
Uh,
తిప్పాలి మళ్ళీ.
any
అంత
doubts?
స్మెల్ వస్తుంది.
Saujana, please go on mute. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. And we have certain frameworks to follow, how security has to be made. It's not like, let's talk about a security guard in front of a bank or ATM. So he can't go like a civilian, right? So he should have some rules. So he should be, handing some lathi, he should be on uniform. So there are some rules like that. Okay, there are some rules like that. So, we have a lot of domains here and there. So there is one more domain called identity and access management. Yesterday, Naveen was talking about this field. So, privilege access manager, we have CyberArk. This is a tool, guys. These are the market leading tools, CyberArk. So identity and access management, we have Okta. What is the other thing? SailPoint, Savient. So there are number of tools, but the market is leading by these two tools. So yesterday, Naveen mentioned one other tool, so which is new in the market and very good in the market. So Naveen, I just forgot that name. What was that? Okay, no worries. Let's talk about that later. Okay, anyways, so this is identity and access management, which comes in the access control part. So yesterday we discussed about that as well. What is access control? So authentication and authorization come into picture here. Okay, authentication and authorization come into picture here. So guys, these are very basic first level of interview questions to check your mindset of cybersecurity mindset. Okay, cybersecurity mindset. So please don't ignore each and every word that I discuss. You please note it down. Please note it down and go do some research on that. Just a few videos here and there, or just ask chat gpt. So, and also I encourage you to use chat gpt because we have to get in pace with the world, the entire world. So because they also, I mean, the bad guys also can use ChatGPT, and then they are leveraging ChatGPT nowadays, and more attacks are going to come. So please have a habit of, if you don't know anything, please use ChatGPT. Please don't hesitate to use ChatGPT at any point of time, unless and until you are in an exam. Okay. So if you are preparing for any certification or anything like that, so please don't use ChatGPT or any mobiles. Please follow the rules there. So apart from that, yeah, we are good. So here, within network security, also we have endpoint security, endpoint security, and also we have PKI. So this is a very huge domain, guys. I mean, it's not confined to one thing. We will be focusing on vulnerability scanning, okay, penetration testing. So this is again the same third party risk assessment is like we are asking someone to do this penetration testing and vulnerability scanning. Okay, so we will be dealing mostly the risk assessment part of the cybersecurity, and also on On demand, I will explain you this identity management as well. On top of that, I will discuss, not uh, one by one, but on the flow, we will be discussing each and every topic from here. For some reason, I mean, for giving some examples, something like that, right? So I will cover every topic from here, so that you will not be blank when you are communicating with someone else from your team after joining the job. Okay, so that is very important. Any doubts? Yeah, cool. No worries. Everybody unmute. Uh, yeah. So that is about all the domains here, guys. There are a lot of even there are missing domains here which I can't fit in this screen. Which I can't fit in this screen. Okay. So let's go back to our topic, which is network fundamentals. Okay, so as we discuss what is the importance of networking, so I could say, guys, if you know networking, right, so you have already covered 50% of all the domains in cybersecurity, 50% of the syllabus. So the only thing you have to learn is the core cybersecurity. Okay, so that's why whenever I start a course with, so network fundamentals are very important. So yeah. So guys, please unmute yourself and let me know what is the meaning of network. I'm not asking with respect to cybersecurity. Normal English meaning of network. Normal English meaning of network. What is a network? What is a network? Guys, please unmute yourself. Let's communicate a lot. Guys, please.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. What is a network?
network, let me see. It's
Yeah,
like
you.
a system
Mm-hmm.
uh, combining people from different places together. Or yeah, connecting different, let me use people,
Yeah,
like connecting different people from different locations,
exactly. The
connecting them
keyword.
together.
Yeah, the
Uh,
keyword here is just now you mentioned the word connecting multiple times. So network is nothing but connection of something. Okay,
okay.
connecting, connection of something. So this something can be anything when we are talking about an IT network. So what do you see day in and out in an IT, guys, or else in your home network, let's say in your home network, what you will see here. So maybe a router you will see, a Wi-Fi router. Okay, it will be connected by your ISP. So this word is important. So ISP. So ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. So guys, what is your internet service provider? So my internet service provider is Airtel right now.
Mine Vodafone Ghana.
Vodafone Ghana. So maybe a BSNL in India. Okay, there are a lot. Geo Fiber. There are a lot of ISPs out there. There are a lot of ISPs out there which will provide you the internet. Okay, so again there will come another topic called intranet. Okay, intranet and internet. So this part within your home or within your office, so each and every devices are interconnected using routers. Routers are switches. We call it as switches as well. So here you can see the switch as well, right? So this is called intranet. So intra network. So net, whenever I say net means network. Okay. So internet is outside of your network. So this is inside of your network from here. So from here everything is intranet. So within your home, you will not be having a firewall. So you will not be having a firewall, but outside of maybe if it is an office, if it's an office network or some other important networks, so people will keep an firewall to inspect the traffic coming in and out. Okay, coming in and going out. Okay, so here. Yeah, again your switches. So you might be having one PC, two PCs, one mobile phone. Okay, so here it is. Here they called a server. So maybe a printer, a coffee machine. Let's say a coffee machine as well, a printer, a laptop. So there are a lot of devices. There are a lot of devices. They will be having Wi-Fi routers and wireless routers as well. Okay, I mean the wired routers as well. We will be having switches. So everything all together called as a network because we are connecting each other. So network is nothing but guys connection between each other. Okay, this something is all the devices here. Okay, this something is all the devices here. Okay, so any doubts here, guys? And I will talk about internet as well. Guys, exactly same replica of this office or some different office will be having here. They also will have intranet. So when they come outside of this network, they are calling internet. So whenever you go out of your home, okay, out of your office, it's internet. Okay, inside of your home or office is intranet. So please note this difference. This you have to imagine every time. So whenever you are in office, you are in intranet. Okay, whenever you are connected to Wi-Fi of your home and browsing something, that is internet. Okay, any doubts here, guys? So this might be little confusing. I will explain this again. So please don't worry. If you have any questions, you can ask me here. Please. No questions? Yeah, let's go forward. So guys, if you want to go to your friend's home, so how you will go? If you know the address, you will go, right? So if you don't know the address, what you will be doing? If you don't know the address, what you will be doing?
You asked.
Yeah, of course, we will ask him. So let's say he will be telling this street number, road number, his home number plate. So everything he will be saying, and we will be reaching that home, right? Our friend's home. So that's the way we will be following. The similar way. Let me explain you very clearly so that you will not forget in your lifetime. So let's say this is Arm's home. Arm is staying here. Okay, I'm staying here in his home. So he also have his family. Okay, maybe his father, mother, grandma. So someone, kids, one more kid. So five people are there. So if he is communicating here with his family, this is called intranet. So we are communicating within the family and within the family. This is called intranet. So let's say he wanna go to his friends. Arm's friend is let's say Bala. Bala's home is in India. He is in Ghana. Okay, so he has to take the flight. Okay, so he has to take the flight. So this doesn't look like a flight. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, he has to take a flight. He has to, change the flight on a layover somewhere, and then he has to reach India. Okay. So here, after reaching India, also, let's say he reached New Delhi, and then here he reached New Delhi, and then from there also he has to come to Hyderabad or some other place. So he know the address now. So he is coming. So this is called internet, guys. This is called internet. So internet is connection of intranets. Okay, internet is connection of intranets. So here, uh, Bala is also having his family, right? So father, mother, sister, maybe his family, kids. Okay, kid two. Okay, so let's say there are a lot of people. So if Bala is talking to these kids, it is intranet for Bala. If Bala is talking to some others outside of his family is internet. So guys, will you remember this? Uh, do you understand?
Yes, come.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. So, if you have any doubts, please ask me, guys. I'm giving very basic examples. Yeah, so that you will not confuse, or you will not forget it forever. Okay, so just I will correlate with basic examples so that it will be very easy for you to understand and remember it forever. Okay. So similarly, guys, we have IP address. So this is internet protocol address. Okay, whenever we say protocol, what is meant by protocol, guys? What is meant by protocol?
It's combined with some permits or rules.
Rules. Exactly. Thank you. Yeah. So IPv4 address consists of 4 octets. Let's not go in deep of that. So yeah. So it has some rules. It has some rules. So each and every person here has a name. Similarly, each and every computer, each and every mobile, each and every electronic device has their address, guys. IP address. So let's talk about V4 and V6 address later. V4 and V6 address later. Let's just talk about normal IP address. Okay, let's just talk about normal IP address. So each and every device out there has an IP address which is called as IP address. Okay, any doubts here? So again, to divide that, people come up with the concept of binary numbering. Okay, what is binary, guys? What is binary?
Base.
Yeah, it is 0 or 1. Okay, it is 0 or 1.
Mm,
So IPv4 address, IPv4 address, IPv4 address is a 32-bit address. So when I say bit, it can be a 0. Bit is binary. It can be a 0 or 1, or 1, not and 1. So or 1. Okay, it can be a 0. It can be a 0 or 1. Okay. So let's say